बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ योजनेअंतर्गत गोंय राज्यात जायत्या कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन केला। लोकां भितर चली भुरग्या संबंधात एक तरेचो प्रचार करपाचो हेतून हाचे आयोजन केला म्हूण उत्तर गोंयची जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनन उलयल्या। ऑल इंडिया लॉयर युनियन गोवा कमिटी आयोजित वुमन विकाचे कार्यक्रमाक ती उलयल्या। आयडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर।
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a flagship program, as I mentioned, which focuses on a twofold agenda. The primary agenda and the first and most important one is to preserve the right of the girl child to be born. So it is a campaign against female feticide. We have laws in our country which are very strict, which are against female feticide. We have the PNDT Act about prenatal diagnostic tests, how they are restricted and how we need to always ensure that they are only utilized and not misused. So that has been a very potent act which has helped to a very large extent in curbing the evil of female feticide. So Beti Bachao, that Bachao part of it, Beti ko bachana, that part of it looks at this dimension of preserving the right of the girl child to be born. Therefore, empowering the girl child, making her take decisions, aware decisions, by knowing about her legal rights, by knowing about her rights in all aspects of living. This is the focus of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Therefore, awareness about legal rights is a very important component, because that awareness then helps the woman to help herself and help others who are in need of guidance. There are several people in our society who still do not know about their legal rights. So that is one important aspect of this, and there are various other aspects, but since this is an initiative by the Lawyers Collective, that's why I thought I'll emphasize on the legal rights aspect of it. So even many of us sitting in this hall may not be fully aware of the full spectrum of rights that are available, the rights that protect us and the rights that enable us, empower us to lead a more fruitful life. So with these words, I would like to congratulate the officers who have taken this initiative of getting together the women staff of the Collectorate and the Lawyers Collective for coming together to organize this program on the Women's Week as well as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. And just using this opportunity to appeal to all the members of the public to wholeheartedly support this cause and to contribute in any which way that they feel they can. They can begin from their own family, from their own society, their own neighborhood, and take it beyond. I also solicit the support of all the young men and women of Goa in order to support this initiative. Very soon, this initiative will also be started in South Goa. So then the entire state of Goa will be covered. The Honorable Prime Minister has already expanded the scope of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao to all the districts in the country.